this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Assurance Hybrid wiper blade onto 1/4 inch or 3/16 inch side pin wiper arms. Step 1. Locate the HN-type adapter that is pre-installed in the center of your wiper blade. It's 2.5 inches long and it tilts up and down. The cap is located on the utmost part of the HN-type adapter, and it has the Goodyear logo stamped on it. Step 2. For 1/4 inch side pin wiper arms, open the HN-type adapter cap. Bring your wiper blade up to your wiper arm with the HN-type adapter cap facing upwards away from your windshield. Then line up the pin with the larger opening on the center of your wiper blade. For 3/16 inch side pin wiper arms, leave the HN-type adapter cap closed and tilt the H-type adapter forward. Bring your wiper blade up to your wiper arm with the HN-type adapter cap facing upwards away from your windshield. Then line up the pin with a smaller opening on the center of your wiper blade. Step 3. For 1/4 inch side pin wiper arms, close the Goodyear cap until you hear a click. For 3/16 inch side pin, tilt the HN-type adapter back to its original position until you hear a snap. Step 4. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website www.goodyearwiperblade.com.